Hi guys, I am James Tay Federico and we gonna talk about my classmates. The first talk, we gonna talk about Carl Ivan Bustamante. Okay, this is the answer. When Carl Ivan's on the school and me, Carl Ivan is always talking to me. They always kind to me and I always kind to him too. They make me a being a brother for he make me a being a brother, and I want to accept a being a brother too because he always kind for every month. And the second answer, when Carl Ivan is calling me Federico or James Clyde, they always make me go somewhere for happy each other. Carl Ivan is always kind. Carl Ivan doesn't angry to me. He always loved me for being a friend or being a brother. That's my favorite Carl Ivan. He's always make me a smiling face. He's always make me a super happy. Carl Ivan I am super proud to him. I am super proud to him. And Carl Ivan is always talking to me because I am a kind of person of pupils. And if you love that Carl Ivan Bustamante, comment down below how much do you love Carl Ivan Bustamante. Bustamante is always super. Bustamante is always super joking when he has a joking. And Carl Ivan is make me a playing when my classmates want to play. Carl Ivan want to join my game. He always make me a super happy when the game. And when Carl Ivan he's gonna said, I am super excited and happy and laughing. Carl Ivan is always make me a super laughing. Like sometimes my classmates is something is mad. When Carl Ivan is saying, I am always follow with his saying. Carl Ivan is super joking. And Carl Ivan is gonna agree with if I crush Jobert. I am agree to if I Jobert then crush. Carl Ivan something is make me a feelings to me. Carl Ivan is make me a love. He make me a more friends. And they always calling me to make me a happy. Carl Ivan is super kind for every single month. If you love that Carl Ivan, comment down below how much do you love Carl Ivan. And this is now the saying. Carl Ivan, maraming salamat. Napakabait mong tao at nag-aaral tayo mabuti para sa ating kalayaan at kinabukasan para magka-owner tayo lahat. Lalo na yung advisor natin, si Ma'am Vanessa. Sana magustuhan mo yung pagkakaibigan natin at hindi tayo nag-aaway, hindi tayo nagkakasira para madami pa tayong lalakbay para sa ating relasyon, para sa ating lipunan. At maraming salamat. Ginabayan mo ko sa pagkakaibigan mo at sa pagpapagabait mo sa akin. Proud ako sa iyo, Carl Ivan Bustamante. If you love that, Carl Ivan, always keep it up your good work. Always you love yourself for ourselves and for our God. I love you, Carl Ivan. Shout out sa iyo. Thank you, Carl Ivan. Napakabait mo talagang tao. Love you, Carl. Napakabait mong tao. Okay, guys. Peace. See you on the next vlog.